Hello everyone, welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. We are continuing to explore interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. In the previous video we learned words and phrases related to the classroom. Today we will go to the restaurant. Let's start. Let's imagine that you have just entered a restaurant. What might the waiter say before you sit down? Let's look at some phrases. Саламатсыз бе? Hello. Биздин ресторанга кош келиңиз. Welcome to our restaurant. Қанша адамсыздар? How many people are in your group? Алдын ала орын алдыңыздар беле? Do you have a reservation? Чылым чегүүчү залбы же чекпөөчүбү? Smoking or non-smoking? How can customers respond to those questions? Let's see. Саламатчылык. Hello. Чоң рахмат. Thank you. 3 адамдык орун барбы? Is there a table for 3 people? Чылым чекпөөчү залга мүмкүнбү? Non-smoking, please. Ооба, алдын ала орун алганбыз. Yes, we have a reservation. Жок, алдын ала орун алган эмеспиз. No, we don't have a reservation. Alright. Now that you have sat down at your table, the waiter will come back and probably ask something like, Эмне каалайсыз? What would you like? Ичкенге эмне каалайсыз? Would you like something to drink? Дагы бир нерсе керекпи? Anything else? Let's learn how to reply to those questions in order not to be left hungry. Мен десерт каалаймын. I would like dessert. Мага соусу жок стейк мүмкүнбү? Can I have steak without sauce? Great, you had a wonderful evening with a delicious meal, and it's time to get the bill. How do you do that? You can say, эсеп берип коесузбу, which means, may we have the bill please? And the waiter can ask, накталайбы же карта мененби, which means cash or card. Finally, let's learn some proverbs related to food. Аран тамак аш болбойт. Dishonestly obtained food is not digested. Жаш келсе ишке, кары келсе ашка. Old for food, young for work. Тамак болбой, дымак болбойт. There is no desire without food. Now you can go to a restaurant. Congratulations! In the next video, we will continue exploring other interesting phrases in the Kyrgyz language. So please subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends. Görüşкөнчө!